The Arizona Republic published another bombshell of an article this morning confirming many of the rumors that have been swirling around for months, but interviewing a very close, unwilling participant who says that she was expected to help cover up the murder by Travis Renner and his business partner, Adam Kifer. The best part is that this article never would have happened if Adam Kifer, business partner to Travis Renner, hadn't tried to defame the source that is now quoted in the media. This source, Ashley Reynolds, worked for Travis and Adam and did not ask to be interviewed. She did not reach out to the Republic. The Republic reached out to her after Adam prompted them twice to investigate her. You can see here that Adam reached out to me as well, offering to talk, saying he was going to give a statement about how he and Travis had separated ways. This article begins by saying, minutes after throwing punches in the fatal beating of Preston Lord, one of the teenage attackers called his father for help. On the clock, a cover-up began ticking, according to a woman who was directly involved. Ashley Reynolds gives an account of the different ways that Travis Renner and his business partner Adam tried to cover up the murder and protect their interests, both their business interests, their monetary interests, and dispose of any evidence that their son was involved in the murder of Preston Lord. The two openly discussed in front of staff, in front of people, taking the child to the Sholo cabin long enough for his hand injuries that he sustained during the beating to heal, to keep authorities from interviewing him. This is, of course, the same boy who missed school, attended ALA, went back to ALA, and then was allowed to play in the football game and was named player of the game. The coach has been removed from ALA. Ashley says that Adam frequently provided updates directly to her, and she was brought in to help the cover-up, including contacting attorneys who would start transferring business entities in order to hide assets. She said that Renner and Kifer met for legal strategy sessions where they came up with a way for Renner to divest himself from the company and minimize his exposure to assets. It was after the murder that they put a non-disclosure agreement in front of Ashley and made her sign it. After she was caught negatively discussing the situation with other employees at the company, she was fired by them and then was hit with a cease and desist letter where they alleged fraud and called her a professional con artist. They even filed a civil fraud lawsuit against her. The Queen Creek police chief confirmed that this source, Ashley Reynolds, was interviewed in February with detectives, and the details that she provided, or some of the details she provided, aligned with what investigators already knew had happened. He said, quote, "The statements that were made that related to our case corroborated what we already knew. It was a corroboration rather than a contradiction." Ashley said that Travis Renner, and Adam Kifer discussed the attack as a kind of initiation, that Renner's son wanted to participate in the beatings similar to those carried out by the goons. They said it was an initiation. I would stand there and listen. I was never allowed to ask questions. I never heard the term Gilbert Goons. This child's older brother, Kifer Renner, has been arrested on multiple assaults attached to the Gilbert Goons. Now, during the time frame when many of these beatings were happening, this minor child was in rehab in Utah. He was not here, and he did not, as far as we know, participate in any other attacks. He is also not named in the civil suit filed by Rick Keener because he is not seen in any of the videos. There's more, but I'm going to have to do it in another video.